In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page in Shopify. If you're setting up your store and want to build excitement before launch, a coming soon page is the perfect way to protect your storefront while still giving visitors something polished to see. First, you'll turn on Shopify's password protection. In your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Preferences. Look for password protection, enable it, and click Save. This switch tells Shopify to hide your live storefront from the public while you finish setting things up behind the scenes. Don't worry, you can still work on products, pages, and settings privately. As soon as password protection is enabled, Shopify shows a default coming soon page to your visitors. They won't see your products or collections, they'll just land on this clean holding page instead. It's functional out of the box, but you'll get a much better result by customizing it to match your brand and message. To do that, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the theme editor, open the page selector and choose Password Page. This is the canvas where you'll tailor what people see while they wait for your launch. Next, edit the content and design so it feels like your brand. Add a short, clear message that tells people what's coming, and if you want, roughly when. Upload your logo so visitors immediately recognize your brand. Adjust your colors and typography to match your style, and consider adding a simple background image or graphic that sets the mood without distracting from your message. Most themes include an email sign-up option on the password page. Turn that on and connect it to your store's customer email list so interested visitors can subscribe. Keep the layout simple. Concise headline, brief subtext, and a prominent sign-up form typically work best. When you're happy with the look and wording, click Save. Your Coming Soon page is now live and will appear to all visitors while password protection is enabled. You can continue building your store in the background, and when you're ready to launch, just return to Preferences to disable password protection. Tip: add a short message plus email form to build interest before launch. It's a great way to capture early subscribers and notify them the moment you open, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.